Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through how to add someone on Telegram. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to add someone on Telegram, go tap Open your Telegram application from your app drawer. If you're not signed into your account, make sure you are first. Now, from the home screen of Telegram, in order to add someone, tap on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from this page, tap on the human icon with a plus in it at the bottom right corner, and then you'll be able to see that you've ended up in this page where you can add a contact by entering their first name in the first text field, which is a must, and then you can go ahead and type in the last name as well, which is an optional, so you can skip this step as well. Go to the next field and enter the country. Choose a country from the list of the country mentioned, and once you do that, go ahead and type in the contact number of the following person. Once you're done, tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner of the screen, and if the person is not active on Telegram, you'll see this kind of a pop-up. You can go ahead and tap on invite in order to invite the person on Telegram first, and then you'll be able to add them as friend. If the person you are trying to add on Telegram already has a Telegram account, then you'll simply be able to add them on Telegram just like that. As you can see that I've landed in this page where you can type in the message and connect to the contact you just added on Telegram. That is how you can add someone in Telegram quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.